Hi guys, welcome to Work and Wealth channel.
Today we'll see work from home in Punjab. We'll see job descriptions first. Job role is virtual customer service associate. Job type contractor. Contract means it will be 4 months or 6 months based on agreement. And as a customer service associate, what will you do here? What is your role? So here you are solving the queries raised by end customers. For example, customer facing some problem or some issues in product, he will customer will raise a queries based on problems. So here you need to solve the queries by contacting customer on phone or writing or commenting with customer. So that's it, guys. Your role, like a very simple role. And what you will get benefits here: free medical insurance, free pension plan, and free internet allowances. So internet allowances means what are all you are spending money for internet, you can reimburse that money. Apart from that, you can get Amazon vouchers and all. So that will be optional, that we can't sure. And come to job qualifications. Minimum age should be 18 years plus, and you should be have right to work in India, and strong communication skill in English, both written and oral fluency. So it means you should be speak English fluently, and you should be able to write in English. And available shift is Monday to Sunday. It may vary weekly or monthly, and you should be ready to willingness from one city to another city, and you should be ready to do work early or late or overnight or weekend, overtime, etc. You should be ready to work. And very important, you should be you will need a quiet place, and you need a desk and chair for work. And come to hiring process, very simple hiring process. First you need to apply job, tapping apply button here, tap apply button, and see the screen, guys. You will get this page here. Read everything, and scroll down. Here you can see I accept or I decline, two radio buttons and one continue button. Select I accept radio button and tap continue. Wait for some time, it's loading. See, it will trigger to login page. Here entering email or mobile number, you can log in, guys. If you don't have account means tap create one, and here fill these details. Very simple: your name, email ID, and your phone number, and preferred language and preferred time zone. And you need to create a personal pin here, 6-digit personal pin, and tap next button. It will create, account will create. And come to hiring process. So here yeah, after applying you will be having general questions and screening questions. This is very important. General questions will be very generic, and screening questions now they will display something like essay or something they will display. You should they will display for 1 or 2 minutes actually. You should read quickly. After that they will ask to read it again, or they will ask to write it what you saw. So it will be simple, you can crack this job. And after that, work assessment on your role, and they will give orientations on your role. So finally, day one, your first day at Amazon. Thank you guys watching this video. Please subscribe, like the video, and share the video. Thank you. We'll see you on next video.